I like these things a lot. They save a lot of time. They save weight. They eliminate the need to hammer over your head, to torque a wrench up over your head while wearing a wetsuit. Wetsuit pounding over your head just destroys your bicep and tricep.
Less than ideal.
You get a little more distance between holes because you don't have to provide for wrench usage up here.
Caves are cold and wet and muddy and scary.
As I showed in some scholarly analysis that I did, if you design these for use in caves, you would have come up with this diameter and this length. Austenitic stainless, no tight clearances, large diameter cone, a lot of expansion capability when you torque it down. Meets our needs. They're inspectable, they're maintainable.
Caves are wet and muddy.
Of course, you want to scrape the mud off the wall first. I didn't do that here. Is it okay to clip into the handle? How much weight do you put on your lanyard? 50 pounds? 100? You don't want to accidentally loosen the handle. What happens if you do? Does the sleeve unseat? Probably not. You have to hit it with a hammer to unseat it. I'd avoid being in a situation where a single bolt failure is catastrophic.
Less than ideal.
Look at that beautiful anchor. Traverse saw, did we do this?
We did.
Smart of us, I guess.
Yeah, it'll give me something to clip into.
Bring it through.
Climbing Taiwan removable bolts. Bought 'em from How Not To.